Hello and welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey from Meat and Potatoes Organizing. We are professional home organizers in the Twin Cities in Minnesota and beyond. Anyway, today I want to talk about kind of the concept of like a Sunday basket. And if you've never heard of that, it's kind of an area where all of your papers go. And then once a week, the theory is that you kind of sort through them, get yourself set up for the week ahead, and just kind of get through your pile, and so that paper clutter doesn't build up. So in my house, I don't have a specific basket. I have a few different spots. I have for my boys who come home from school with a million different papers. I have 2 wall-mounted baskets. So I pull the things out of there, do what's important, put the rest in that basket. Once their basket gets super full, which happens maybe every 2 to 3 months, depending on what's happening, we sit down and we purge and we go through that together. Now, secondly, on a weekly basis, I keep a small area of just one countertop, not the whole thing, for things that my husband and I need to look at once a week. And so this week it's filled up with like a credit card that I need to call and like turn it on, and all of the little to-do things that would maybe stop me throughout the day. But if I just tackle them all at one time and maybe a half an hour to an hour on the weekend, I get through that whole pile of paper. So even though your Sunday reset or Sunday basket may look a little different than everyone else's, let's figure out a system that works for you. So what's the drop zone? How do we figure out what's important? How do we prioritize that? And then after the fact, once we've done it, can we pitch it? Can we get rid of it? Do we need to file it? Should we shred it? These are some options we want to think about, and then have easy access to your shredder, to your filing system, and things like that make sense. That's really going to help negate that buildup of clutter over time, and also allow you to get things done and kind of like feel like you're staying somewhat on top of your life. So anyway, hit me up. Let me know what your weekly reset might look like. And also, if you're struggling and need help, of course, reach out to us. We would be happy to help you with something like that. So I'll see you next time for another Just the Tip. I hope you have a fabulous week.